Nathan owns an advertising agency. It is very stressful. I don't want to dig into the details, but I can surely say he had clenched his teeth for a certain time. In this video, you will learn how to easily make an orthodontic preparation for aesthetic restorations. Believe me, it's easy. Now, let alone the implants and the restorations, which are not our business. But you can see how the upper incisors bite directly on the lower ones in a situation known as zero overjet. That zero overjet situation is the problem. If Nathan had a good positive overjet, he could clench his jaw as much as he wanted, but the incisors would be perfectly safe. In a zero overjet situation, even non-parafunctional patients may show abraded upper and lower incisors edges, just for the fact that they are in contact with one another. So, what is the solution? You guessed it. We need to restore the overjet. Just follow two golden rules. First, solve the upper crowding by incisal proclination. You can easily do that by bunding the upper arch and doing the usual wire sequence. Teeth will align, finding space where they can, that is, forward. The second rule is, do not bond the inferior arch, for two reasons. First, the patient did not ask you to. He is here for a pre-prosthetic treatment. He just wants to build up his upper incisors. The second reason is that you do not want the lower incisors to come forward during alignment, as this will inevitably ruin your plan of creating overjet. If you absolutely need to align the inferior teeth, keep in mind that in order to keep the overjet you planned, you will have to solve lower crowding not through proclination, but through interproximal reduction. And these are the steps to get the job done. First, the teeth need to be aligned with whatever technique you want, but just keep in mind that you have to procline them. As you do that, you can, and this is a plus, you can make some temporary restorations to visualize where incisal margins and the gingival profile will set. After alignment, you can debond the patient and send him to the restorative practitioner who will take off the temporary restorations. Insulate the teeth with a dam and perform the final restorations, with results far better than ours. Nathan has a new smile thanks to the overjet we created. And on an emotional onrush, Nathan asked us to restore his lower incisors too, as he said he was happy with the work done in the upper arch. But before proceeding, we had to check with an occlusion paper how much space there was between the upper and lower incisors. If there is no space and you make the restorations anyways, you can expect them to last between a day and a week. Here are the final photographs. I think total treatment time was around 6 months, and the day after the final appointment, he left for a vacation. I might have stressed him a bit too much.